yun nga yung sabi ko, I think God has prepared me for something even bigger, and that is motherhood and, you know, having a family. And I think kung hindi nangyari yung mga yun before, I wouldn't be as strong now to protect my daughter and my husband. So, mas na-shape yung pagkatao ko, yung perspective ko in life nagbago, mas naging, ano ba, nandiyan na yung positivity of course, yung kailangan happy ka, kailangan positive ka, but more of, mas buo ka na to, you know, I guess, face life and to move forward. So kung ano yung talagang purpose mo in wherever, like, let's say in showbiz or, you know, in, with your family, di ba? So, mas yun yung naituro sa akin ng motherhood, mas nag-grow ako and mas naging buo akong tao.
One last. So, for those 5 years, kasi you've been acting, that's what you've been doing, may mga na-discover ka bang other hobbies, other activities na, kasi away from limelight, ganun.
Yung vlogging, akalain mo yung magiging madaldal pala ako. Sa mga nakakakilala sa akin noon, I'm sure nagugulat kayo, bakit ang daldal niya? Dati kasi talagang mahihain ako. You could say na introvert din ako kahit papano. And naturuan na rin ako ni Luis kung paano mas maging confident sa sarili, you know, how to speak up when you feel like saying something. And I'm really grateful kasi my husband has been there to support me ever since day one. And yun, sabi ko, grabe, kaya ko pala magsalita, kaya ko pala mas maging open sa mga tao. So I guess vlogging talaga, and you know, just sharing my life in general. Kasi before, I used to look at this as separate. Like being a celebrity and being Jessie. Para ngayon, mas nasasanay na ako na iisa na siya. You know, you're opening up your life to everyone. And ganun talaga. I mean, my highs, my lows. And yun, I guess yun yung natutunan ko on how to be more open about my life and about myself. Yun.
Thank you. Alright, now let's go to our